TAKTA Industrial Group. Since the dawn of the hose connectors industry in Iran, we have been with you. And by receiving 2 national standard marks and valid international certificates, we have always taken steps to remain unique. And now, we have been able to produce world-class products with your help. TAKTA, inspired by our constant belief, ability and perseverance to blend steel and brass alloys, provides a bedrock for the flow of life fluid and its healthy delivery to those who care about their health. The quality of our products guarantees your health, and its endurance ensures your safety. We are TAKTA. By using automatic machines and utilizing the efforts of committed human capital, we have created a wide production capacity and thus provided high quality at a reasonable price for you. The use of modern technologies, complete control over the production chain, and customer orientation are the keys to our success. We are TAKTA. Monitoring the quality control process is our commitment to ensure that we offer the best production in the industry. We are proud to produce connectors for life that bring you beauty, durability, and comfort. TAKTA. Connectors for life.